Welcome to the new UI widgets tutorials. This tutorial is about localization support. You can add integration for most localization systems. This tutorial will use i2 localization package. Adding support for the localization system is very simple. First add to method to get translation and country code. Then add localization locale change at call on locale change. On locale change the widget immediately updated. The list of items order is updated because of enabled sorting and language change. Autocomplete also works with the current language. Notifications, dialogues, and pop-up widgets support formatted strings. The dialog and pop-up have a set format to use the formatted strings. The notification has a set message method for the same purpose. That's all, thanks for watching.